Names of sports.
Kick the ball, it's time to play. Soccer fun is here today. Pass it, kick it, score a goal. Running fast, that's our goal. Sports are fun, let's all cheer. Playing games with friends so dear. Soccer, basketball, tennis too. Swimming, volleyball, all for you.
Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn some cool words from different sports. Are you ready? Let's see what the first sport is. Look! The first sport is soccer. S-O-C-C-E-R. Soccer. Soccer. Soccer is a fun game where you kick the ball to score goals. This is the soccer ball. In soccer, you try to kick the ball into the goal.
Goal.
You kick the ball to pass it.
Kick.
The goalkeeper stops the ball from going into the goal.
Goalkeeper.
Great job! Now, let's see what the next sport is. Look! The next sport is basketball. B-A-S-K-E-T-B-A-L-L. Basketball. Basketball. Basketball is a game where you bounce the ball and shoot it into the hoop. This is the basketball. In basketball, you aim to get the ball into the hoop.
Hoop.
You dribble when you bounce the ball while moving.
Dribble.
You pass the ball to a teammate.
Pass.
Great job! Now, let's see what the next sport is. Look! The next sport is tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. Tennis. Tennis is a game where you hit the ball over a net with a racket. This is the tennis ball. And this is a tennis racket. In tennis, you hit the ball over the net.
Net.
You swing the racket to hit the ball.
Swing.
The coach teaches players how to play.
Coach.
Great job! Now, let's see what the next sport is. The next sport is swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Swimming. Swimming. Swimming is moving through water using your arms and legs. These are goggles. Goggles protect your eyes in the water.
Protect.
A float helps you stay on the water surface.
Float.
Fins help you swim like a fish.
Fins.
Before we move on, how about we listen to a song about the sports? Here we go!
Sports are fun, let's all cheer. Playing games with friends so dear. Soccer, basketball, tennis too. Swimming, volleyball, all for you. Swimming fast, we glide so free. In the pool, like fish in sea.
Look! The last sport is volleyball. V-O-L-L-E-Y-B-A-L-L. Volleyball. Volleyball. Volleyball is a game where you hit the ball over a net using your hands. This is the volleyball. In volleyball, you throw the ball to start the play.
Throw.
You need to catch the ball to stop the other team from scoring.
Catch.
You jump to hit the ball.
Jump.
It's game time. Let's play some word games with the names of the sports we learned. Are you ready? Unscramble the letters to find the name of the sport. That's right, it's soccer. Match the name of the sport to the picture. Correct, it's basketball. Can you find the name of the sport in the list? Great job! It's tennis. Yes, that's swimming. Correct. That's volleyball. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you next time.